Hey, it's Jamila from Color Me Crafty, and I'm back again for another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to use this puff vinyl with your Cricut EasyPress. I had tried and failed and after talking to a couple friends of mine, Angie over at the Country Chic Cottage made a suggestion and it worked. So here is the video right after the intro. I'm going to show you exactly what I did and how I was able to achieve using the puff vinyl with my Cricut EasyPress. Before I get started, if you aren't already a subscriber, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn on the little bell notification. I now post a new video every Tuesday and Thursday. And after you finish watching the video, go ahead and drop me a comment and hit the thumbs up and even share it with your friends. All right, let's get into it. Once you get your design cut out, you're gonna go ahead and weed it like normal. I just used my vinyl setting on my Cricut and made sure to mirror it. You place the vinyl matte side down with this. If you can see that this side is matte and this side is shiny, so you'll do the shiny side up and it weeds just like anything else. A little bit better than some brands. Kind of smells like glue, which is interesting. Go ahead and get your design weeded. If you like this design, it is available in my shop. The link is below. I can't remember if I mentioned everything that I used in this for the shirt, but you'll need a towel, your EasyPress, which if you're watching this, you're either thinking about getting an EasyPress or you already have one. You're also gonna need a weeding tool, and I'm using the Cricut, I can't remember what this is called, but I'll link it below too, but it comes with a bunch of different attachments and this just kind of comes out. So your towel, your EasyPress, your weeding tool, of course your t-shirt, your puff vinyl. So go ahead and prep your shirt, get it ready. And I am just going to use the tag to center my design. Now I did learn the hard way that with this vinyl, if you fold down the middle and fold through the vinyl actually creases, and I could not get that out. So I'm gonna fold it, but I'm not gonna bring it all the way down through the middle. So I am just gonna find my center and give it a little crease at the top and bottom. Make sure my shirt is straight. I'm going to pull this to the edge a little bit because you need a lot of pressure to do this with the EasyPress, and you want to make sure your hands are even across, and then you're going to bear down with all of your body weight at 310 for 10 seconds. But I'm going to flip it over just to kind of iron some of those lines out that are left by the EasyPress. And there is our shirt.